Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one is a direction, not north. It is correct. Number two, did you play? Yeah, that's right. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. I will walk south for 1 kilometer. I will walk south for 1 kilometer. South. You will walk south for 1 kilometer, a direction, the opposite of north. Now we can make a flashcard for south. Please write south up here in the top left corner, S-O-U-T-H. Down here in this corner, D-I-R-1. This means direction, level 1. And over here the number 3 out of 4. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ow, sow, south. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob plays tennis with me every Monday. Bob plays tennis with me every Monday. With. I do not play tennis by myself. I am together. Bob and I are together. Now we can make a flashcard for with. Please make a card like this. Write with up here in the top left corner, W-I-T-H. Down here, GW1. This means grammar, word, level 1. And over here the number 131 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. With. Remember, for the W, we use the lips. Wah, wah. With. Game over. You did really well today. Today we learned north and south. Yes. Also east and west. Correct. Number two, did you play? With Bob. Correct. We also say, I write with a pen. So please check your dictionaries. Many ways to use with. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Can you say number 1? Sir. Yes, we use this to gentlemen as a sign of respect. Number 2, is your dog tame or wild? It is tame, correct. And to do something close to something. For example, Bob lives close to the river. Today is Saturday, August 9th. show number 184. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side. How do you say south in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.